Okay guys, what's up? This is Master Midget. I'm back, I'm cool, I'm king. This time. Okay, there we go. Now, this isn't necessarily a walkthrough as it is just me having fun. As you see with my petty moves. Okay, so we're gonna go with cheats and down to levitate. There we go, go. How was your guys' Christmas, eh? Mine was delicious. Except for the fact, yeah, I got $100 and an iPod. Pretty good. Okay, here we go, 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 here we go. Yeah. Da-na-na. Hello, Becky. You're the bigot now. Yeah, I'm recording this at like 4 in the morning, so I'm kinda tired. Don't squeal at me. Link, you're getting beat up by a fairy. Come on, beat the goo out of it, man. God. Don't blame me. You better not blame. Don't blame me, my sniggle. No, you're not my shizzle. Okay, we're gonna check. Top of Link's head is cut off. That's pretty cool, I guess. Not much, though. I'm still gonna play Ocarina of Time. I love that game. This game doesn't even compare. Oh. Microphone in my mouth for a minute then. Let me adjust my footing. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are going and we are having fun and we are blessing. Okay, okay. Somehow we went the place to this place. At the door. I don't know if you would call it a door, but the thing closed up behind me. Stairs. Okay, yeah. Next part would be the messing around.